Welcome back to Taj's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today we are going to be harvesting marigold seeds. Me and my kids just pulled off the covers from one of my garden beds, and there is a ton of marigold seeds that are dry and ready to be harvested. And the good thing about this is if I had left it uncovered, those seeds would have actually buried themselves and I would have had a ton of marigold seedlings. This way, they were not touched by any type of precipitation, so they are dry and they are perfect to be picked. If you have a marigold plant and you are wondering how to get your free seeds, you make sure that you don't get rid of those blooms until they actually close up and dry completely. That is where the money is. This is a dried up flower pod. Whenever it completely dries up, you want to take these off because the actual seeds are inside of this. And then all you do to get to the seeds is pull that open and look at that. Those are a lot of seeds right there. Free flower seeds, marigold seeds, and you can save them to plant the next season, or you can do like me and actually gift it to your neighbors.
This is fun. I know, right?
It's the perfect little activity to just let your kids do. So it's fun, it's easy, and it actually teaches them where the seeds are actually coming from. And this is what we have so far. They are still completing it, but we have a lot of little flower pods they're filled with tons of seeds. And remember, all you do is pull them out, and there they are. And each one of these are a potential flower. I'm going to be pulling up this entire marigold plant along with the other pepper plants right here, and I'm just going to amend this bed. We have a lot of fallen marigold seeds down there too, so I'm going to try to rake up as much as I can, and then we will amend it with some raised bed mix and some compost, and I will be planting probably some more brassicas here. I haven't decided yet. It actually spread it out and covered this entire half of this bed, but it was really beautiful. So I think I might try to put it in its own pot this year. Alright, so we finally completed it. It is an entire bag. We still have a little bit more. And fun fact, I actually got the marigold seeds from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. And it is really big. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to know if you already knew this about marigolds. I have a lot of people who really do not know, and they're so shocked every time I tell them. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you want to be part of an amazing gardening community, head on over to Facebook, type in Prosper and Plant. And if you can't find it, it is also down in the description. I have the link down there, so you can go and click it and it will take you straight there. Hit join and I will see you over there.